Good afternoon, students. We have seen a very long discussion uh, or experienced a long discussion about the Sufism. Understand? Or about the Dargah, Khanka, or a Ziyarat, or a Sufis relations with the state or the sultans and the donations, grants they got, and what about the donation and grants, and how the Sufis were, or the Sufis or a Peer or Sikh appointed appointed the disciples, or what were the rules and regulation and the rituals in the Sufism, or we have seen that what were the other branches or the sects or the kinds of the Sufism. Many branches were in the within the Sufism. Understand? On the radicals, I have already taught you, or their principles of the Sufis. Okay, or their principles of principles and as well as assimilation. Their tendency to assimilate all section of the peoples together. We have seen that. Understand? Or Sufis say this Sufism was very close to the Bhakti movement, and now this Sufism, particularly the Chishti Sufis, understand? Of the Chishti Sufis impressed the Indians and make their room in the hearts and minds of the Indians, or now the Indians inclined towards their devotionals, towards their devotional attitudes, or adopted, and also they tried to uh, seek the blessings of the Sikh. Understand? We have seen that, and they visit the Dargah, and visit the Dargah of the Chishti. Even the Hindus, understand, amongst the Hindus, the Sufi became the very popular, or apart from the masses also. Understand? Next thing is that today we are going to study about the new devotional paths. Understand? The new devotional paths, or a dialogue and descent in the northern India. First, so let's we have to be the study in this topic, and we have to be the focus on three saints, Bhakti saints, come under the galaxy of the Bhakti. The three: Kabir, Sant Kabir. You shall focus our study on the Kabir. We shall focus our study on the Guru Nanak Dev, Guru Nanak, and the third, the Mira. Understand? Mira, Guru Nanak, or and the Kabir. The three and their paths, their way, we shall study in this chapters, in this topic, and this is the last topic of this chapter. This is the last topic of the Bhakti Sufi traditions. This is the last. Understand? So we shall study the first of all to understand the Kabir. How to understand the Kabir? The one can understand a man by his sayings, by the man's thought or expression. We can only you can only understand a man by what he speaks, what the values, his way of thinking now reflects in the man's human in the human's expression. what kind of the man is, what kind of the principles the person follow. This all becomes the clear the person speech or the person's views and the expression. So now first of all to recognize and understand the Saint Kabir. Understand Saint Kabir. We have to be the go in the box here. Let's say having our one glance on the box, the one Lord. Here is titled as a one Lord. Understand? Or here composition attributed to the Kabir. Attributed to the Kabir. First, God is called by many names. Now first, many names by names like Allah. God has several names. God is one. Understand? God is like that. Different rivers. Understand? Different rivers flow underwent under the ground towards a one way, towards the one destination. So similarly, the Kabir now said that we have the different, just like the different street, different way, lanes. Understand? But our destination is one temple, Vishnath temple. We go there and have been going there through the different ways, different lanes, the street, but destination is one God. Similarly, the different sects, different religion, beliefs, understand that the ways now reach at the one destination of the God. The students now, first here, we see that Allah is the God, is the one, but it's the different, it's had the different names, all the different names, like Allah, Ram, Rahim, Kareem, Keshav, Hari and Hazrat. These are the names of one God, names of the one God, like the Allah, Ram, Kareem, Keshav, Hari and the Hazrat. God is one, but names is different. Destination is one, but the roots are different. Similarly, each religion now flowing at every rivers, at the space on the earth flowing in different way, but underwent in a similar way. Underground, it's go in a similar way, in the similar directions, but over it looks in the different directions. So similarly, we people work and the worship and the Kareem, Hazrat, gold may be shaped into the rings or bangles. Gold, understand? The metal we can shape as a necklace, as a earring, nose ring, as a bracelets. That metal can be the shaped, the different in the different shapes. Understand? Like the God can be the made and the shaped in the different form, given the different form. But metal is one, gold is gold, but it's different. Its form is the different. Understand? The similar bangles. Is not it gold all the same, but all the same it is gold. Similarly, God is one, but we give it the God now worship in the different forms. God is one, but it's we worship, we give the different form. Krishna Kareem, Ram Rahim, Allah Iswar. We give the different names but God is one. Similarly, the gold, a metal, the gold is gold, but it's have the ring, finger rings, bracelet, we make necklace, nose ring, earring. Understand? The different kinds of the rings, kinds of the shape we give, but metal is one, God is one, like the God is one. This is the theme of the Kabir thoughts. We can understand, I said now already, to understand a man, what he speaks, understand, we can understand. What the man wants, what the man uses that. So secondly, the next is that distinctions are only words we invent. Distinction are only we invented him. Krishna, Karima, Rama, Ramima, Kasi, Kaaba, Makkah, Medina, like that. Different names we invent. We people are the inventor of the different. We human being invent the different names of the different gods. One thing is the invented in different words, synonyms. We can say there are many synonyms of the God, God, but all have the same meaning. The similarly, this here we see that Kabir says they are both mistaken. Neither can find the only Ram. Both are the mistaken. Neither can find the only Ram. One kills the goat. Okay, one kills the goat, and other kills the his other kills cow. To get the both are the now slaughtering. One goat, other cows. Now the Kabir says this, and the none finds, none of them find the God, neither the Allah nor the Ishwar. Understand? But they adopt the same way. They are slaughtering. Both are the slaughter. Understand? To get at the God. Here is the what is Kabir's now here? One question has been given here. Okay, what is the Kabir's argument against the distinctions made between God's different communities? Okay, many distinctions has been given in the different communities. The students, first of all, many poets saints we are studying about the three saints we shall study. Okay, first Kabir, second Nanak, third Mira. Three, or the now many saints in a explicit or implicit dialogue with the new social situation. Now, ideas and the institutions. Let's now see how the dialogue found expressions. Okay, this dialogue say how the found the expressions. We focus here the three of the most influential figures of the time in medieval time, particularly the most I have already mentioned that three figures we are the going to focus of the same time the bhakti movements, weaving a divine fabric, weaving a divine fabric. Kabir, about the Kabir 14th century, perhaps where he born, anybody from you can you trace where he born and where he was the and in an infant condition, infant state he was thrown where on the bank of and the bank of a pond, Lahar Tara. Understand? On there is a pond. There is a pond in Lahar Tara where a little infant was now thrown, and by the Nehru who brought a weaver who now adopted this infant, very little infant, and it is said that he was now born of I have idea, but it's not the real source of that. Some said that he born of a widow, understand, or then after she now laid her there. Now he is little uh, that there on the bank of left there, and then after the Nehru, understand, brought and picked up that child, that infant, and then after brought up. So he was there, and now at the in the Varanasi he born, and here the most outstanding example of the poet saints emerge within this context. More of historians have now painstaking tried to reconstruct his life and times through a study of the composition attributed to him as well as later hagiographies. Such the exercise have proved to be the challenging on the number of the counts. Now, many historians have tried to reconstruct the history of the Kabir. Historians they have made the track on the basis of a study of composition. What he composed, through that they have tried to understand him. Understand? Or him as well as later hagiographies. Now the what is the hagiography? Hagiography is the this is the study of the religious or the saints. Understand? That is called the hagiography. So from the hagiographies, such exercise have proved to be challenging on the number of counts. Okay, so there are so many challenges before the historians to reconstruct and confirm this history. Understand? This is the so the verses ascribed to Kabir have been compiled in three distincts. What the verses the Kabir composed, understand? These verses ascribed Kabir have been compiled in the three distinct or overlapping traditions. That tradition is the overlapping. But the three distinct overlapping tradition. First, the Kabir Bijak. You know very well that Kabir Bijak is preserved by Kabir Panth. This his Bijak has been by the Kabir Panth. The path or sects of the Kabir in Varanasi. Bijak has been compiled by the his followers, Kabir Panthis, Varanasi, and elsewhere in Uttar Pradesh. Second is the Kabir Granthawali. First है इनका his composition is that Kabir Bijak. Second composition है Kabir Granthawali, or this is the Dadu Panth in the Rajasthan. This is the associated with the Dadu Panth, Dadu Dayal, Dadu Panth in the Rajasthan, or many of his compositions are found in the Adi Granth Sahib also. आप कह सकते हैं कि which other Sufis composition and verses are found in the Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib, Adi Granth Sahib नहीं है. This is the Adi Granth Sahib I am talking. Guru Granth Sahib में किसका है? Whose Muslim saints or the have the anybody? मैंने previous topics में पढ़ाया है इसको. I have taught there. Now this is the okay. बाबा आगे डैश डैश आप खोजिए find out. Adi Granth Sahib. Now all these manuscripts compilations were made long. Manuscripts compilation है. This is the long after a death of the Kabir. Okay, made long after. These manuscripts were added. जैसे आज we studied ना कि महाभारत was written at not a certain time. Thousands of years took it and it was elaborated or added more materials and the more stories. Understand? So similarly, the Kabir, Adi Granth Sahib, all these Kabir's manuscript compilations were added after his death of the Kabir. More, uh, more and more verses were added, और by 19th century तक देखा जाए anthologies of verses attributed to him circulated in print in region far and apart as a Bengal, गुजरात और भी महाराष्ट्र में इनकी जो कॉपीज थे दिस वाज सर्कुलेटेड इन ऑल वेयर इन दैट कबीर पोएम्स हैव बीन सर्वाइव्ड इन सेवरल लैंग्वेजेस जैसे कबीर की जो पोएम्स है जैसे सेवरल लैंग्वेजेस एंड द डायलेक्ट्स में है some are composed in the special language of the Nirguna poets. Nirgun. The Kabir was निर्गुण सगुण दो तरह के आपको मैंने पढ़ाया है कि सगुण तो दोज हु बिलीव इन द दैट इज फॉर्म अंडरस्टैंड गॉड फॉर्म्स को मानते हैं इन द फॉर्म में अगर ये करते हैं तो दे आर कॉल्ड द सगुण निर्गुण दे बिलीव इन द फॉर्मलेस गॉड गॉड्स को मानते हैं फॉर्मलेस देयर इज नो फॉर्म ऑफ द गॉड लेकिन सगुण क्या है जे बिलीव तो यहाँ पे जो निर्गुण स्पेशल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द निर्गुण पोएट्स ने बिलोंग टू द निर्गुणा निर्गुण सेक्ट से बिलोंग करते हैं कबीर भी तो वट एवर द पीपुल निर्गुणा पोएट्स द संत भाषा और इट इज कॉल्ड एज द संत भाषा जो निर्गुण इनके फॉलोअर्स थे दे नाउ रोट द कंपोज मेनी स्पेशल इन द स्पेशल लैंग्वेज में उन्होंने ये किया था जिसको हम लोग संत भाषा कहते हैं उनका एक अपनी भाषा उन्होंने तैयार किया दैट इज द निर्गुण पंथियों ने जो निर्गुण थे तो उन्होंने एक संत भाषा उसको कहते हैं अपनी भाषा यूज किया थे यूज दैट एंड अदर्स नोन एज द उलट वंशी उलट वांसी अंडरस्टैंड उलट वाणी उलट वाणी जिसको हम लोग कह सकते हैं ना अपसाइड डाउन सेइंग्स कबीर दास की उल्टी बाणी अंडरस्टैंड बरसे कंबल भींगे पानी कबीर दास की उल्टी बाणी बरसे कंबल भींगे पानी तो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट अंडरस्टैंड यू कैन से उलट बांसी उलट बांसी अपसाइड डाउन सेइंग्स है आर written in the form in which everyday meaning are inverted. Now here the everyday meanings have been the inverted. These hints at the difficulties of the capturing the nature of the ultimate reality. और ये है कि these hint at the difficulties. What the difficulties one gets? Capturing the nature of the ultimate. Capturing the nature of ultimate reality in words, ultimate reality in words, very difficult. Expressions such as the, for example, अगर हम देखें, if you see the examples अगर देखा जाए, तो example में क्या है कि the lotus which blooms, lotus which blooms without flower, or fire ranging in the ocean. Fire ranging in the ocean and lotus without the flower. This is the and convey a sense of Kabir's mystical experiences. These are this conveys the he was a very mystical. These are having the very mystical meaning of Kabir's experience. उनका जो mystical experience था, these words में जैसे lotus से which blooms without the flower, it's had the very difficult meaning, a mysterious meaning है इसका. कोई भी lotus है without flower है, how can be that? Similarly उनका कहना है कि fire ranging in the ocean, how it is possible in the full of oceans, fire is there, fire ranging there. Is it possible? No possible. But it was a very mysterious meaning expressed by the or ulatbasi, mysterious, or moreover, we shall see the striking is the range of traditions. Understand? Kabir drew on a describe ultimate reality. Striking the range of traditions, Kabir drew on a to describe उन्होंने किया ultimate reality का. Now these include the Islam. Ultimate reality में वो मानते हैं कि इस्लामिक एलिमेंट्स को उन्होंने पुट किया है एंड ही डिस्क्राइब्स द अल्टीमेट रियलिटी एज अल्लाह. वो अल्टीमेट रियलिटी उनका क्या है? अल्लाह. अल्लाह, खुदा, हजरत एंड पीर. He also used the term drawn from the Vedantic traditions को भी उन्होंने लिया. ये उनकी खासियत थी. That was the speciality of the Kabir. तो उन्होंने वेदांतिक ट्रेडिशंस को भी उन्होंने लिया अपने थॉट्स में, अपने प्रिंसिपल्स में, अपने आइडियाज में. वेदांत को भी हिंदुज्म से भी उन्होंने लिया एंड इसमें उन्होंने एक्ट किया कि अलग है, अलग है, द अनसीन, अलग, can't be seen, unseen, निराकार, formless, Brahman, Atman, Atman, Brahman, these are from the Vedic. Other terms with the mystical connotations such as the Sabda, Sabda, sound, or Sunya, Sabda and Sunya, emptiness, were drawn from the yogic traditions से उन्होंने लिखा. योगा से, योग के ट्रेडिशंस को भी उन्होंने इंक्लूड किया, वैदिक ट्रेडिशंस को भी इंक्लूड किया और इस्लामिक एलिमेंट्स को भी इन्होंने एलिमेंट किया. तो दैट वाज द दिस वेयर द फीचर्स ऑफ द कबीरा. यही कबीर का ये था कि उन्होंने सारी ऑल लैंग्वेज, all principles of the different religions he brought together and brought and assimilated together to get at the destination, one God. But the different traditions he now adopted, Kabir, unhesitatingly, and the diverse and sometimes conflicting ideas are expressed in these poems. Sometimes diverse and the conflicting ideas also reveals in the poem. Some poems draw on Islamic ideas. कुछ poems है तो Islamic ideas पर उनका बेस है. Some poems now monotheism, one God. Next, I suppose that time is about to. Again, I will teach this topic again. Okay. Today this much. कल tomorrow डिस्कस करेंगे कबीर पर. अगेन आई शैल डिस्कस बिकॉज दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. अंडरस्टैंड. तो इस पर हम एक बार और once again, once more I will make our on explanations because we have not to be the too hurry. Better कि well understanding of every part of our study. Okay, so we should not be the hasty. Understand? Or a time is suppose that time is about that few times 30 minutes is okay. One thing is that chapters may each and every I will again advise to you. You should now study very carefully each line और मीनिंग उसका बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए. और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि फर्स्ट थिंग्स की स्टूडेंट नाउ मेक योर एक्सप्रेशन वेरी इफेक्टिव. एक चीज़ अगर हाईएस्ट मार्क्स फुल मार्क्स उठाना है if you want to take the complete full marks. तो एक्सप्रेशन पॉइंट्स तो आपका रहेंगे, कंटेंट्स हमारे एनसीईआरटी के रहेंगे, अंडरस्टैंड, और उसमें आप एक्सप्रेशंस अपनी बोलो, आपकी जो स्किल्स है एक्सप्रेशंस का, वेरी गुड एक्सप्रेशन, अच्छी राइटिंग अवश्य भी बनाइए। टाइम हैज स्टिल आपके पास बहुत टाइम है अभी हम लोग के पास, और आप उसको अभी राइटिंग को अच्छा बनाइए, और अच्छे वर्ड्स रखिए, एनसीईआरटी पॉइंट्स रखिए, कॉन्सेप्ट एनसीईआरटी का होना चाहिए, व्यूज जो है पूरा एनसीईआरटी का होना चाहिए, इधर उधर की चीजें नहीं, पूरी हमारी एनसीईआरटी की व्यूज, एक्सप्रेशन आपका अपना, you are capable of the writing words, understand, so that will make the very effective ये चीज होना चाहिए। और अभी लॉट्स ऑफ मैप में वर्क करना है, मैप में एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री के लिए, मैप के लिए वी हैव टू बी द मैप, तो मैप इंडिकेशन कभी देखते हैं, लेट्स सी ये इफ पॉसिबल दैट विल, तो एंशिएंट का मैप कराना है काफी, मेडिवल हिस्ट्री का मैप है और मॉडर्न, in that context we shall work out, let the be ahead, इसे चलने दीजिए, और मैप आपको कराना है, और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स तो दो चीजों पर बहुत मार्क करना है, इफ यू हैव टू बी द दैट मैप working, that should not be the mistaken at all, and then after the 20 questions of the objectives should not be the mistake, we must have to be the models of the question, uh, the new models of the questions I shall discuss, whatever on the online ही हो, लेकिन मैं उसको डिस्कस करूँगा, since the you will now the find the track of the preparation, अभी पढ़ते रहिए, अभी this time is to the MS the knowledge, MS the every, and now go through every point, and as much as study and as much as the grasping of the entire topics well grasped. This should be the done right. Understand? So then after we shall do better, and after you should have the preparations for that, and questions bank. Question banks means the question of the 10 years, particularly asked in one chapter. Understand? That should be the accumulated at one place, and then after go through the entire chapters, entire topics, okay, topics, and very long questions. You should prepare at that, okay, students, or like that. Let's go ahead. This chapter is also going to be finished 3 or 4 minutes और लगेंगे, as much this will take, और we shall work further. Today, Kabir, once more, I shall focus on the Kabir. Understand? Thank you very much.